In this video, we're going to show you how to change the batteries in the E-loop commercial. So for demonstration purposes, I have an unfixed E-loop commercial here, and you'll see the 8 hex bolts along the top here. The hex bolts secure the top plate or the face plate to the housing, so we need to remove those hex bolts in order to access the batteries. Once we've removed all the hex bolts, we need to pop off these covers for the bolts that secure the unit to the surface here and here. This allows us the space to pry up the top plate or the face plate of the E-loop and access the batteries. So we have the top plate off, and on the underside we see the 4 3.6 volt AA lithium batteries. They're connected to the unit's board via these connections here. These pop out pretty simply, and once they are disconnected we can attach your replacement batteries and start to reassemble the unit. Once we have the new batteries connected and seated properly in the unit, you should make sure and check over the rubber seal here on the unit and make sure it's intact and undamaged. This makes sure that the E-loop is properly protected from the elements. Once we place the top plate back into position, we recommend that you tighten your hex bolts in a cross-directional fashion to ensure a correct seal. So once the batteries are replaced and the unit is back together, you need to recalibrate the unit. You can follow this video here to see how to recalibrate your E-loop commercial unit.